Now, if you're a Glow user out there, I want you to pay close attention to this video, because in this video I want to show you how you can get free 100 gigabyte of data sent straight directly to your Glow number. Now, this is not a clickbait video, because as you can see right here, this has worked for me. Right now, if you are not using Glow, probably you're using Airtel or MTN or Nine Mobile, I want you to stick around in this video, because I'm going to be sharing with you also how you can get very cheap data from any network. Now, before we go ahead with this video, this information is being shared for you for free. Right now, as a way of appreciation, like this video and subscribe to this very channel for more amazing video like this. Right now, with this said, let's jump properly into this video right now. Now, the first thing you want to do is to come to your App Store or Play Store, then you'll search for this Glow Calf right here. As you can see, Glow, just search for it. This is the app you have to download the app, then just open the app, then allow. Then you want to register as a new user. Right, it's a app that helps you borrow, buy data, buy airtime, and all of that. Have access to Glow features. Right, you just skip all this part. Right, then you are going to put in your number. Right, you're going to put in the number you want to receive the 100 gigabytes. Right, that's the number you want to include, and the number must be a Glow number. It must be a Glow number. Now, you have to know this, that this is only applicable to just one Glow sim. Right, that means you can't repeat this process again and have this 100 gigabytes again. Right, but if you have other Glow number, you can try it on other Glow number, and you have same result on all these numbers. Right, you can delete the app, install it again, and impute other Glow numbers, then you have it on those Glow numbers. So let's continue. Click on I agree to terms and condition, then you click on next. Then it's going to load up to this place where they are going to send you an OTP verification code, of which you are going to impute right here. Click on next. Then you're going to put in your 6-digit password, which is your PIN you're going to be using to log in. Make sure it's something you can remember. Then submit. Once you are done with enter this code, submit it, and you are going to be arriving at this very place. Right, this is the dashboard right now. Now, the next phase is how you can receive your 100 gigabytes data. Now, if you are getting value so far from this video, please do it to like this video, like and subscribe. Liking and subscribing is free. You are not paying any single dime to subscribe to this channel or like this video. Right, if you have any concern, if you have any complaint, if you have any issues in going through this process, do it to drop all your questions in the comment section. I'll be there to reply to every comment right there in the comment section. So with this said, let's jump back into this video right away. Now, basically, this is a Glow app when you can have access to all their products, all their services, data service, product. You can recharge your phone, you can view everything from here. Right, it's just like having the Glow mobile app inside your phone. So if you follow this process and register a free account with them, the message you'll be receiving next is this message right here. You are going to be receiving this congratulations message that you have earned 75 gig bonus data that will be valid till 12 a.m. tomorrow. Right, and you can use the Glow Calf to recharge. They are encouraging you to use the Glow Calf, which is the app, to recharge. They say buy data or other services to get 5 gigabytes for the next 5 months, which is 25 gig. Now, the only way you can qualify for the next 25 gigabytes to make it 100 gigabytes is when you use their service to recharge or buy data. Right, it's just very simple. Now, you can just head back to the app, then just try to buy data or airtime. It might be 100 naira, 200, 1000, whatever means or whatever data or airtime you want to buy, so that you can qualify for the 5 gigabyte for 5 months, which is 5 gig for each month, which is 25 gigabytes. Right, but this 5 gigabytes you are seeing right here will be valid till 12 a.m. That means you have the whole day to use this data plan till it gets finished. Right, so make sure you have a lot of work, a lot of things you are doing that same day, right, before you activate this data plan, so that this data can be effective and you won't just waste it right here. So let me know in the comment section if you get this data, if you got this message, and if this works for you, because it's currently working for me right now. So just let me know in the comment section if it works for you. You got this message, let me know. And if you don't get it, also let me know. I will guide you through on what to do. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to your friends who are using Glow. Right now, if you follow this video step by step, you'll be having this message right now on your phone. Now, this is 75 gigabyte of data, right, and 5 gigabytes for the next 5 months, which is 5 gig of data every single month for 5 months, right, which is sum into 100 gigabyte of data. Now, here's the thing right here. This 75 gigabyte of data lasts for 1 day, right, while the remaining 25 gig of data will last for 5 months, which is 5 gig for each month. Right, now, make sure before you activate this data plan, you have a lot of work to do that very day, so that you can exhaust it that very day. Right, because this data lasts for just 1 day, which is the whole day. Right, and the remaining 25 gig lasts for 5 months, which is 5 gig per each month. Right, Now make sure you have a lot of project, a lot of work before you activate this data plan. Now if you have any question, you have any concern in getting through this data, and you have any issues at all, or you didn't get your code, do well to let me know in the comment section. I will guide you through on how you can go about it. Right now, for the MTN and Airtel user, as earlier promised in the video, now here's a way to get cheap data for just little amount of money. I share with you in this video right here 5 data code you can use to get very cheap data from any network right here in this video. You can either be seeing the video right here, or you can access the video right there in the description. Right in that video, I share with you 5 data code you can use to get cheap data from any network in Nigeria. You can get the video in the description of this video, in the pin comment section, or you can get it right here. I will see you in that video. Bye for now.